Okay, we're going to continue on with our finish portion of this face and roughing. Okay, we already gone this far. We went ahead and face, and we roughed off the OD. What we're going to do now is we're going to come down to this section and choose a tool. In this case, we're going to choose a 35-degree tool, and I'm going to go with a tip radius of 15 thousandths. This is my direction, obviously, going this way. And for my face relief, I'm going to put 3. In the bottom portion, I'm going to put 35-degree, 0.015 radius, front, face, and all the finish. And there you go. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and click out. What you're going to do next is you're going to click contour and bring it down to your operation there. You're going to get the tool you want to use, which is the 35-degree angle, 35 degrees tool, and drag it down to your operation there. And there you go. Now it says tool number 2. In this case, we're going to go ahead and do the face. Finish the face. It's going to be a front face. I'm going to put 100 thousandths before it hits the part, and the part 100 thousandths after you finish the face. And I don't want to leave any more stock, so I'm going to go ahead and put 0. And I'm going to go with material only, and that's pretty much it. And I go ahead and click out. And click my cut render so I can go back to this section here. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to hit my front face line, bring the white circle on top of the material and the black circle to the bottom, halfway. As you can see, it says redo. I don't want to redo my last operation, my OD rough operation. So what I got to do is I got to come over here and I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, I got to gray out. So I do that by clicking the bottom square. And now I can go ahead and hit do it. Says something went wrong there. So okay, this is my error. I gotta choose a direction, which is going down. Redo. And there you go. Now I want to go ahead and I'm going to use the same tool, the same operation. So I'll click over here, bring the white circle, the black square to the line where I'm going to end up at, and the black circle to my ending point, my direction, and the white, the outside circle should be highlighted. I'll go ahead and gray out the last operation and hit do it. So I gotta fix something here really quick. Click that again, and I'm gonna choose OD, obviously, These are the clearance, and I'm going to go with full, and everything should be 0 because I'm not going to leave any more material. This is my finish operation. Then go ahead and click finish and redo it. And there you go. Now this is what it's going to look like once you cut render it. And this is the entire operation. And there you go. That's it.